Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the zoology research topics regarding physiology and basically animal physiology plus medical physiology. The first topic is evaluation of gradient sensing and how it affects the human body belongs to medical physiology. An empirical study of static cytokinetic channels and excitable waves in the human body. Investigative study of meiotic spindles and chromosomes formation. The impact of foreign virus on cellular structure of the victim. The role of white blood cells in strengthening the immune system of combat viruses. The impact of molecular mechanisms on microtubule nucleation. Medical study of mutagenic effects of UV light on cellular structures of human body. The next one is evaluated study on the benefits of ginger and its impact on intestine. It may be the rat intestine, rabbit's intestine, or maybe the human intestine. A comparative study of trachalose 6-phosphate and sucrose, its functions and benefits. Evaluation of techniques used for protein analysis in vivo. Impact of cord cells on physical structure of plant. Review of cells involved in carrying photosynthesis, ethical and religious review of hybridizations in plants, critical evaluation of nutrition and chemical structure of lemon species plants, evaluation of pulmonary functions in petrol pump workers, influence of anthropometric indices and exercise on pulmonary function test in young individuals, effect of pregnancy and labor on maternal oxygen saturation, detection of primary hypertension in adolescent group, pre-hypertension, prevalence and risk factors, influence of Saya Yoga on type 2 diabetes with chronic stress, correlation of physical activity and metabolic syndrome in young adults, heart rate variability and glycemic control in type 2 diabetes mellitus, study of pulmonary functions in coronal renal failure and effect of hemodialysis on it. Effects at obesity on heart rate variability. Heart rate variability in hyperthyroid patients correlated with thyroid function test. Nutritional programming. Effect on later life metabolic health. Prevalence of any disease like diabetes of a selected area, obesity in a selected area, thalassemia and its causes, hypoxia and its causes, asthma and its causes, anemia and its causes. It may be studied on some specific patients are in clinical trials. Investigative study on the formation of cancer cells, monoclonal antibodies in fighting against COVID-19 virus in human body, depth review of Amaranthus viridis and how semen dust affects its growth, role of polar bear changes our climate. These are basically review topics. Deep inside the anatomy of water purification plants, how they help in facilitating human life on earth. So these are some research plus review topics on animal physiology and medical physiology.